Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing the phone and taking the first actionable steps now. Open Settings and go directly to Notifications to see the top-level controls. Don't stop at the toggle. You'll check each app's notification permission, disable battery optimization for apps that drop alerts, and verify Do Not Disturb is off. Once done, make sure background data is allowed and that the app can run in the background. These quick moves prevent common delivery failures and set you up for deeper fixes next. Now you'll dig into per-app channels and special permissions so alerts behave predictably. Open Settings, choose Apps, pick the app, then Notifications, tap each category and enable sound, pop on screen, and priority where appropriate. This controls how Android presents alerts. Next, in Special Access, grant unrestricted data and disable battery optimization for the app if notifications drop. Once configured, verify notification styles and lock screen visibility so messages aren't hidden behind privacy filters or low-priority rules. Finish by validating and troubleshooting any remaining issues so notifications reliably arrive. You'll clear the app cache, force stop, then reopen the app to trigger fresh permissions and background processes. If that fails, reboot the phone or toggle airplane mode to reset network stacks. Reinstall the offending app as a last resort, and if problems persist, reset app preferences or boot into safe mode to rule out third-party interference. If you still can't fix it, note the exact behavior and contact support with those details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.